So I ordered this bag on eBay, and just because I recently purchased something and it was totally not what was pictured, I figured I would do this unboxing, in this case unbagging, just to make sure that what I ordered is what I'm getting. Did a good job of packaging. Okay. Well, on it looked like leather. In here it looks like plastic leather, pleather. I have to go back and double check, make sure it's, see if it said leather, but this looks like, feels like plastic leather, pleather. Well, it looks kind of, or maybe it is leather, it just feels like pleather. But so far, looks like what was pictured, and I'll put a screenshot of the eBay site where I purchased it at. A little bag here for something, maybe a cell phone, but iPhone Pro Max I don't think will fit there. Little bag here. They pictured you can put your wireless headphones there, but and I don't know what this buckle would do that for. Keychain, another zippered bag, with another zipper, and it said it was for a iPad, which is what I purchased it for. Let's see if it'll fit. And it doesn't fit. The reason I bought it was for the iPad. Oh, it fits. iPad fits. All right. A little shiny, shinier than I would have liked. So iPad fits. Another bag there. So anyways, yeah, I don't like this pleather feel. Yeah, looks like pleather. Oh well. That's why it was so, you'll see, it was like, good deal. But, oh well. There it is. For the iPad. And I was probably out of camera for most of this, but there it is. So, I checked my eBay purchase, and it says PU leather. I remembered it said leather, but anyways, it looked nice, and so I went to Google and put a PU leather, went to Wikipedia, and according to Wikipedia it says artificial leather, also called synthetic leather. Leather is a material intended to substitute for leather in upholstery, clothing, footwear,
and other uses where a leather-like finish is desired, but the actual material is cost prohibitive or unusable, or for ethical concerns. Also, leather is known under many names, including leatherette, imitation leather, faux leather, vegan leather, PU leather, in parentheses, polyurethane, and pleather. Anyways, like I said, it felt like pleather. There it is. So, it feels like pleather. Looks like leather. Well, it doesn't even look like leather. Sort of. But the laptop fits. There it is. And I'll put links to the eBay, Google, Wikipedia, all that stuff. So, 100% genuine pleather.